Are you ready to save big on your next purchase at Ace Hardware? Let me show you how to grab incredible discounts effortlessly. Imagine walking into Ace Hardware, your go-to store for all things home improvement, and knowing you're about to snag unbeatable deals. Whether you're upgrading your toolbox, refreshing your garden, or tackling that long-awaited DIY project, there's no better time to shop smart and save big. Here's how you can unlock these amazing deals in just 3 simple steps. Visit promosaver.net, head over to promosaver.net, your ultimate destination for the best coupons, promo codes, and discounts. No hassle, no endless searching, just a treasure trove of savings waiting for you. Choose the perfect discount browse through a wide range of exclusive offers and pick the one that suits your needs best. From percentage off discounts to free shipping deals, there's something for everyone. Apply the code and enjoy the savings. At checkout, simply enter the promo code you selected. Watch as your total drops, leaving you with extra cash to spend on even more amazing products or to save for your next big project. It's that easy. No tricks, no fine print, just genuine savings on the quality products you trust from Ace Hardware. Why pay full price when you can shop smarter? Don't let these deals slip away. Start saving today and turn your shopping trip into a rewarding experience. Your dream home improvement project is now more affordable than ever. Visit promosaver.net now and take the first step toward incredible savings, because you deserve the best for less.